There are many ways in which you can build credibility. Word of mouth is one of the slowest possible way to do that. Okay, there are much better ways, Aindavi, to build your credibility. And generally, older lawyers will like you to believe that if you just keep your head down and you keep working for 10 years, 20 years, someday through word of mouth, you'll have credibility. You can't build credibility in any other way. But that is absolute nonsense. That is not the only way you can build credibility. There are enough ways to build credibility. I could build enough credibility as a fourth year law student to get work. Surely you can do it even later. And many other people have done it. There are many ways to build credibility. Only one is that word of mouth. There are other ways to build credibility. I'm going to tell you about people who have built law firms based on their public speaking. Okay, 2 crore a year practice, 5 crore a year practice, law firm, boutique law firm based on public speaking. Remember this. Of course, it's not just public speaking, right? Of course, they are doing other things also, but heavily doing public speaking as a way to build up a brand in a certain or group of people. Okay, I'm going to give you that example. Building a social media following is one way to build credibility. For example, how many of you, if you see that there is a lawyer, say you need to hire a lawyer in another country, right? In another country, you need to hire a lawyer. You need to hire a lawyer in the US. Okay? So, are you going to not Google those people who you are considering to hire, or are you not going to Google and see what lawyers come up in Google for that? Let's say you need a divorce lawyer in Washington or an immigration lawyer in Washington, right? So you will do a Google search, you will look at who are the immigration lawyers in Washington, what is there, and now if you find someone who is regularly writing on Instagram, Twitter, etc., and writing frequently about immigration law, writing about the problems you are facing, then will you have a trust for those guys? There is a possibility. This is one way to build credibility, is to have so if you see somebody has 1 lakh followers on social media and talking about immigration law, will you think that he's an expert on immigration law? Yes, no, maybe. What would be your first hunch that this person may, if he's talking so much about immigration law, so many people are following him, then probably has some credibility. Today is the age of influencers, social media influencers, right? Everywhere. Publishing articles and books. So if you see that a lawyer has written articles, published books with credible organizations, then will that also give you some confidence? Yes, no, maybe. This is another way to build credibility. Appearing in the media. So if you see that a lawyer is being invited to a TV studio to talk about a certain issue, or published articles on newspapers or so on, will that give you some confidence? Yes. So appearing in the media also makes a difference to your credibility. Maybe you can build a blog or build a YouTube channel or publish on other people's blog, and basically there you have to be ubiquitous, right? You have to be seen enough. When somebody Googles you, with all of those things will give you confidence in a lawyer's credibility, that this lawyer is somebody. If he is talking consistently about one area of law, then probably he knows it.